Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer server ownership on Discord in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking your server name at the top left to open the server drop-down menu. Select server settings from that menu to open the server settings page. Once you're in, click Members in the left sidebar to bring up your server's member list. Find the member you want to transfer ownership to and click the three dots beside their name to open the Member Options menu. Select Transfer Ownership from that menu, and a confirmation modal appears explaining what you're about to do. Tick the acknowledgement box to confirm you understand this action is permanent. Click the Transfer Ownership button to complete the transfer, and the member list refreshes with the ownership crown now beside the new owner. Keep in mind that transferring ownership is permanent and immediate. You can't undo it yourself once it's done. The new owner will need to transfer it back if you change your mind. You'll need to have two-factor authentication enabled on your account before Discord lets you transfer ownership. After the transfer completes, you'll still be a member of the server, but you'll lose all owner-level permissions, so make sure you trust the person you're handing control to. And that's how to transfer server ownership on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.